Racing just started with Mr. Bourbon break quickly at the start. Running by the rail comes Storm Chase in the middle portion. Now is Absolute Winner. The next online is Peace Warrior getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Cats Universe. So we have Mr. Bourbon by about 3 lengths and in second Absolute Winner. Moving up now on the outside Team Ecola, then down on the inside now. Moving up is 11A and that is Cats Universe. Half mile distance they traveled with Mr. Bourbon. Enjoying a length and a half leads Team Ecola. In second and in third remains 11A and this one is Cats Universe. Moving up more or less Super Vista comes next. Running by the rail comes number 9 and this one is Double Strike. Last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Team Ecola. Shuffle back in second, Mr. Bourbon. Moving up on the outside, Cats Universe. More or less Super Vista as they swing for home. Team Ecola takes the lead. Running by the rail is moving up is Mr. Bourbon. Cats Universe moving up on the outside to take the lead more or less. Cats Universe more or less Team Ecola. And finally, Cats Universe more or less Team Ecola, Mr. Bourbon, Super Vista.
Alright, 11A, Cats Universe. Crossing the wire first. Ridden by CB Garganta. Masisigunding 3 more or less. Panarin natin replay nitong race number 7.